Hello, good morning. It is now night 2:21. This kitten is living with me. So she was sleeping as it's close to 2:21. So now she's with me now. So sometimes she's giving me a lot of company as I am working on my mind lab. So she's giving me some support kind of thing. So my fourth poetry, that is Dushomoy, difficult times. This is a hard time, difficult time, or bad times, or whatever you say for understanding. দুঃসময় কবিতাটি আমার কবিতার বই শিল্পীর চোখে ঘুম নেই থেকে নেওয়া। কোথায় যেন যাবার কথা ছিল আমাদের, কোনখানে? দেরাদুন, নৈনিতাল, বারাণসী, কোনখানে? তুমি তো নদী, সমুদ্র নয়তো পাহাড় ভালোবাসতে, সময় পেলেই বেরিয়ে পড়তে ভিক্ষুকের হাত ধরে মন্দির, মসজিদ নয়তো বা গুরুদ্বারে। তুমি জেনে দুঃখ পাবে আমাদের গাঁয়ের নদী পলি পড়ে পড়ে ভরাট হয়ে গেছে। একটু সুযোগ পেলেই জল দুকুল ঝাঁপিয়ে যায়। কয়েকটা অজগর খেলা করে উঠোনের পাশে। ভালোবাসি বলে মুখের উপর দরজা বন্ধ করিনি এতদিন, এখন করতে হচ্ছে। নিঃশ্বাসে এত বিষ জানা ছিল না আগে। কাল রাতে ঝড়ের সাথে বৃষ্টি এসেছিল খুব জোরে, দুর্যোগে ল্যাম্পপোস্টের আলো গিয়েছিল নিভে। সকালে বেরিয়ে পড়েছি পরিচিত পথে, মাঠে মাঠে সবুজ কলমিলতার পাশে কার কাটামুন্ডু পড়ে থাকে, দূরে অজগর খেলা করে। ভয় হয়, ভয় হয়, কোথায় যেন যাবার কথা ছিল আমাদের। আকাশ বলছে যেও না, বাতাস বলছে ছুঁয়ো না। আকাশ বলছে যেও না, বাতাস বলছে ছুঁয়ো না। Thanks a lot, friends. As I have told, this poetry's name is Dushamoy, difficult times. This is one of the toughest poetry I have written in my, as far the poetry writing is concerned, or whatever poetic career you say I have written. This is one of the toughest poetry I have written. It's completely imaginary poetry that is talking about we are going through a kind of a very difficult time zone, and it is explaining what is happening across in India. So it is very kind of an explanation, and this explanation is talking about a person is traveling across India, various places, and trying to explain the situation, what is happening. Either it is Dehradun, Nainital, Varanasi, in different places, different kind of a political situation, the turbulence, what is happening, is trying to explain. And also there is something called Ajgar, a snake. So snake is moving on roads, and it's a very kind of a dangerous symbol, and lot of windstorm and lot of rain, unprecedented rain that is also happening in that context. There are many things coming out, and also river is is also kind of getting kind of filled with lot of sand. There is no water. So there are many explanation in terms of explaining kind of a those somewhat difficult times, and this person is feeling very kind of a scared to move out from the home, and even he's trying to move out, and so still the air is telling not to go because situation is not good. दोस्त, ये पोएट्री जो है दुस्समय है. दुस्समय मीन्स खराब टाइम चल रहा है. खराब टाइम हमारे समाज में बहुत दिन पहले से चल रहा है, हमारा देश पे बहुत दिन पहले से चल रहा है. इसीलिए इस पोएट्री को वर्णन किया गया है. समाज में बहुत सारे लड़ाई हो रहा है, समाज में बहुत सारे चीज़ हो रहा है. इंसान का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, आप घर का बाहर नहीं निकाल पाते हो स्मूथली. ये सब के कारण से पोएट्री लिखा गया है. उसको एक इमेजिनरी वे में इसको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. इसको एक अजगर स्नेक जैसे रास्ते पे बहुत बारिश होता है, विंड स्टॉर्म होता है, अजगर रास्ते पे आ जाता है, इसके बारे में इसको वर्णन किया गया है. सो इंसान का सांस जो आपका हवा जो निकालता है उससे भी आप जहर आपको नज़र में आ रहा है. तो एक पोएटिक सेंस देने के लिए बहुत इमेजिनेशन इसके ऊपर हमने इस्तेमाल किए हैं. हम जब 20 साल के थे तब ये पोएट्री मैंने लिखा था, आज का पोएट्री नहीं है. 20 साल पहले हम कैसे पोएट्री लिखते थे इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा सोच रहा था, एंड इसी के बारे में मैं बोल रहा हूँ. एग्जैक्टली मैं इसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट और नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज मेरे भी हिंदी का स्टॉक ऑफ वर्ड थोड़ा लिमिटेड है. तो जिसको थोड़ा सा बांग्ला समझ में आता है, मैंने ऑलरेडी इसको रिसाइट कर लिए है. जिसको मीनिंग समझना है उसको समझ सकता है. इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता है. बट वी आर गोइंग थ्रू ए डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स, and this time is a kind of a bad time, you can say. Once again, thank you very much for listening this poetry, and this cat is very kind of giving me company like anything. I thank you this small kitten. So I made a lot of video with this kitten. She's so nice. So I always feel that the animals they don't know how to speak, but they have, sometimes I feel they have better communication skill. So they can communicate well with humans, and she's just 27 or 28 days old. So what else I can talk? So it's now close to 2:45. She's giving me company. She's trying to play with me. What kind of interest the animal gets, I don't know, but only they have better feeling probably. So if you feed one animal like just few days, they become so close to you, right? If you feed any human being for years together, so they will every time they criticize, right? Even if your closest friend and anybody. So this is quite interesting in life that human being they don't appreciate certain things very openly or closely also. I do not know why there are so much reservation. So I've been reading history for 2000, 3000 years. History is talking about that. No human being is ready to come forward, appreciate somebody's work by heart. So somebody has to really struggle to get some kind of recognition in society or anywhere. I do not know why this is. I was going through Swami Vivekananda. I was not knowing. I thought Swami Vivekananda has got a very good life. Now I could see this. His life is full of tragedy. Then this fellow is so famous, and in his lifetime, probably he has not seen anything. That's why I say every time, if society or anybody wants to give somebody or recognize, please recognize somebody in his lifetime, not after death. So one has to see that person also. So nobody is watching from heaven that you are giving or giving some awards. Now people are talking about Swami Vivekananda. I also made a lot of videos about Swami Vivekananda. I wish our human mind setup has to be changed little bit. So we should be more little kind of honest, and we should appreciate the people who does certain work in their respective life. So there are not many people who are doing kind of a social work or any kind of work, but whoever is doing better work, I mean to see in any field probably, that has to be appreciated. If you appreciate means I'm not talking give them money or financial assistance or any other things. Give little kind of cheers. That is what it is. That okay, some appreciation. Even this kitten also knows if I little bit pat her, she feels very happy. If I show her kind of an angriness or show her a kind of a stick, she just runs away from this place. She knows everything. So sometimes I feel that how much wisdom this kitten is having. I really wonder. Just 28 days, she is fully mature, and she knows each and everything. Food, where to work. She knows the entire house, my mind lab. So where to urinate, where to take food. Once she's hungry, she doesn't sleep. I have given her a separate bed. She doesn't sleep there. She will come at night, and she will come and sleep next to me. And even in my absence, she will sleep in my bed. So she knows everything. So how much knowledge she is holding, and she is living. A kitten, a motherless kitten, is living with human since she was 13 days old. So how difficult it is, a living object living with human being and trying to adjust everything in their life. What kind of life these animals are having? Sometimes I wonder. If I don't give a little company, if I throw her out, some dogs might kill her or something like that. She might be living with just for hope, probably, that somebody is there is protecting. She might not be knowing some human being is helping, but she might be thinking some well wishers probably is helping her. Every time I feel that what kind of feelings they have in their mind, that who is this person is feeding, probably they might be thinking once she's hungry she comes to my other lab. She comes and do all kind of exercise and shows that she is hungry. So those kind of signaling probably is a very critical thing. Even I cannot imagine a 1 year, 1 month human kid probably has got any kind of expression, but 1 month kitten, she's having the full expression, knowledge, jumping. She practice all kind of jumping practice, targeting object, basic instinct, how to how to catch such kind of object, and how to understand, smell out. Lot of things she is doing it. So I am telling those things because this is not part of the poetry, but I wonder she was sleeping, and it's now around 2:55 probably. She's coming and giving me little company. She also wants to play like a small kitten. I wish this kitten probably she holds much more knowledge. I have a lot of hopes for this kitten probably. So, hopes means for our survival. So they are only living with two things, right? To survive, and this is the after 4 or 5 months probably. Once they are little adult, there is no problem. In this time, they are countering many issues. There are big cat comes at my house, and they had a lot of fights also. But she's protected, so it's good that she's protected. So only they don't know how to read. If that is there, I told in my earlier videos, probably God might have given little speaking capabilities. Probably they communicate in their own way. Probably the only different scale changing of meow 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 in different level they do it in their own way. Maybe in their own community they have that communication skill, but humans only they understand their meow meow once they are hungry, or some demands probably they expect from human, nothing else. So, okay, happy. Thank you very much. Say bye bye. Bye bye to everybody. Thank you. Bye. Take care.